Hello kids, welcome to YouTube channel of SJ Education Center. This is second part of chapter 1. In first part I explained you about computer system, hardware and software. In this part I will explain you about types of hardware and types of software. So let's see types of hardware. Hardware of a computer is classified into three parts: input devices, processing devices, and output devices. Input devices. Input devices are special types of hardware devices that are used to input words, numbers, or pictures into a computer. Some examples of input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, webcam, etc. Keyboard. It has keys to enter data and instructions into the computer. It has many keys on it. Pressing the keys on the keyboard is known as typing. You can type numbers, alphabets, or characters by using the keyboard. Mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It is used to select and point at things on the monitor. We can also use it to draw and color pictures. It has two buttons and one scroll wheel in the middle. Scanner. A scanner copies a picture or text printed on a paper into the computer. It scans printed text or pictures and displays them on the monitor. There are many types of scanners. The most commonly used scanners are flatbed scanner and barcode scanner. Next one is processing devices. The CPU is the processing device of a computer system. It is also known as the brain of the computer. Just like human, computer also has brain, and the brain of the computer is CPU, which is known as processing device. It is the brain of a computer that controls all parts of the computer system. It does all the calculation and displays the result on the monitor. It also stores a lot of information. Output devices. A device used to display the result after processing data is called an output device. Some examples of output devices are monitor, printer, speakers, headphones, etc. Monitor. Monitor looks like a television. It is used to display the result in the form of text, pictures or videos. It is also known as visual display unit. The information that we see on a monitor is called soft copy. There are three types of monitors: cathode ray tube, liquid crystal display and light emitting diode. Printer. It prints the output which you see on the computer screen on paper. The printed copy is known as the hard copy. There are three main types of printers: dot matrix printers, inkjet printers and laser printers. Speakers and headphones. Speakers and headphones are used to hear music and sounds stored in a computer. Types of software: system software and application software. System software is a set of programs that controls the overall working of a computer. Operating system is a part of system software. that makes a computer run. It manages all input and output operations. Let us understand the operating system with the help of an example. There is a car in a house. It has petrol, engine, and wheels, but it is not moving. When will the car move? It will move only when the driver starts it. So, driver is the operator of the car. Similarly, operating system is the driver of a computer which makes it run. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work. Application software. The software that does a specific type of work is called application software. You can understand it by an example. You have a juicer in your house. What do you do with that? You can only extract juice of fruits and vegetables. This indicates that you can do a specific type of job with one machine. So, you can perform a specific task, a single task, by using the application software. Just like games. Games are used for entertainment only. MS Paint, it is used for drawing pictures only. Calculator, it is used for doing calculations. WordPad used for typing and making corrections in the text. These are the application software which perform a specific task, a particular task. So I hope you all understand the types of hardware and software. Thank you.